Hey, hello, what's up? And so welcome back to Rockstar. And in this video, we are going to see about the array method. So in the previous part, I said that I will be doing another part, and in that part, I'll be explaining the properties and methods of the array, the JavaScript array. So the first property is length property. You want to know the number of elements in an array, we can use the length property. So array's last index is equal to 7. Array's length, so the length is nothing but the thing like 1, 2, the length is there, right? This is 1. So the values, the length, see, the length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the length is 8, right? So 7, array's length is equal to array's last index plus 1. So array's last index is equal to 7. So this is the last index, right? Plus 1 is equal to 8. So the array's length is 8, like that. So next is the prototype property. This property will be very useful for few people, because we can, if you want to add new properties and methods, we can use this prototype property. So the JavaScript array prototype constructor is used to allow to add new methods and properties to the array object. If the method is constructed, then it will be available for every array. When constructing a property, all arrays will be given the property and its value as default. Okay, next is the reverse method. We can reverse the order of items in an array using a reverse method. So this is how reverse method looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Next 6 comes over left and 1 goes there. Like that, only all will be followed. But what if this is 6? So it will be helpful for us. But what if center comes? Then also it's so simple. Move A over there, I over, move A in I place, I to A place, and leave R like that only. So this is of this example is also that only. So this is just like an explanation of that. So this is an example like sorting method, we can say. Like see, 1 repeated 4 times. Here 1 is repeated 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 is repeated 4 times. So by sorting, you have to kind of see how many times is it like repeated. So like that only we are arranging over here. Frequency based array sorting. This is how like frequency based array sorting, we can say. So this is the sort method. As I say, you can sort the items in an array using sort method, just like this. 5 to 8, 7, 1. Change in ascending order 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, like this only. So this is what the example I told, like that only. So pop method, we can remove the last item of an array using a pop method. So see over here, like 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. The array index is like that, right? The array index. So the values are apple, orange, pear, lemon. So length is equal to 3. It will become, the length will be 3 as we use the pop method to remove lemon, the last value. Shift method, we can remove the first value using a shift method. So this is just unshift, shift, pop, push. So unshift, we can bring it, shift, we can remove it, push, we can bring it, pop, we can remove it. So this is the push method. We can add a value as the last item of the array. So we can add a value as the last item of the array. So if you want to add a value at the last, so we can use the push method for it. So we can just use the push method to add a value to the last item of the array. So this is why we use push method. So I would like to conclude this part over here, and in the next part we will be discussing more methods. So we'll be discussing more methods of array. So thanks for watching this video. If you want more videos, you can subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon, otherwise you will not be notified